Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. In today's video, I'll be showing us 11 different ways to style your knotless braid. I'll be using a rubber ring, I'll be using hairband and a hair accessory. If today is your first time of seeing this pretty face, please do not make it your last. Hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. So for the first style, we are going to pack the whole hair up. Just keep observing and follow my hands and keep your eyes on my hands. Now when you are done packing the hair, twist the hair and begin to roll it round on your head, as you can see me doing in the video. When you are done rolling, you adjust to make sure that there are no flyaway hairs. Isn't this beautiful? It's so simple, so gorgeous and classy. I love the African woman because her style of hair is unlimited. You can see how beautiful the hairband is. So gorgeous. So watch me as I take you along the second style. While your hair is still packed up, you braid your hair into one piece, as you can see me doing. So when you are done braiding it, you roll the braided hair round your head, just like we did in the first style, but the difference is that with this one you braided the part you are rolling, but in the first style you did not braid. So taking you along the third style, you just leave it braided, and instead of rolling it at the center of your head, you take it to the side and roll it around, as you can see me doing. So this style, you have the braided hair by the side of your head. So beautiful. Taking you along the fourth style, still having it braided, you roll it at the back of your head, not by the side, not on top, but at the back. You roll it loosely. You don't roll it tightly. You're not trying to get a complete bun, but just a loose bun at the back. Just watch how I'm doing it. For style 5, we are just having the hair falling freely. You know, this type of hair you wear when you have an evening dinner. You just let the hair loose, falling down. So this is just what we have for style 5, and it's beautiful. See how I divided the hair into two, bringing it in front. So gorgeous, simple but classy. For style 6, we are trying to achieve baby girl hairstyle here, where you pack your hair in two places. You divide it into two equal parts and pack your hair like that. It's so beautiful. It's for young girls below the age of 14. I always admired this hairstyle when I was a baby girl. I love it. I always tell my mom to pack my hair this way, and it's still okay for an adult lady to have her hair packed that way. You know, you feel that little girl in you coming out to play. So that is what we have for this style. So watch me give you the 7th style. See how I'm rolling the two hair packed differently into a bun. The bun is going to be a very tight one so that it doesn't scatter, because you're not going to use rubber band to hold it. You see, so beautiful. So guys, for the 8th style, we'll be packing the hair into two by braiding. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm braiding the hair down, but I'm going to do it two sides and have it styled that way. Just watch my hand and see how I'm doing it. Bye. See you next year. Mwah.